How to buy Heart Sparkle Mermaid token. So this token came under the symbol of HSM. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you want on my channel, please do your own research. And also there's referral codes down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use the codes below, fund your account and enjoy the benefits with them on the description. So before going on buy this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on Screener. It's created 5 hours ago. So it's increased by 14,000% in the last 24 hours. The liquidity here are locked by 9%. That's mean your investment in a safe place to be able to buy this token. As you can, but before that, this token is trending number 11, as you can see. So to be able to buy this token, copy the token address from here. As you can see, this token address came under Solana network. Open your fund to manage for that. Now click on swap here. Make sure you have enough Solana in your wallet. Click here and paste the token address. As you can see, this is our token. Click on it and here type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive. After that, click on provider. Select the provider, for example, Jupiter. Make sure to read all of that information here. After that, click on swap and you will be able to redirect to Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. If you face any issues, just go back to this page with the slippage from here or customer, because the most of the issues came from the slippage. So this is how to buy HSM token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.